Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a barbecue chicken fried rice. Alright, we have approximately 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I've diced up. Also, I've made sure to pat it dry. Why would you want to pat it dry? Because the spice mix I'm adding will adhere to it a little bit better. The spice mix is as follows: a tablespoon of brown sugar, a tablespoon of paprika, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of dry mustard, a teaspoon of kosher salt, a teaspoon of pepper, and then you just kind of want to mix everything around until the chicken is completely coated with the spice mix. Should be looking a little something like this when you're done. Okay, let's move on. Okay, into a wok, we have a couple tablespoons of oil heating up. I used veggie oil. You can use canola or peanut oil. If you have to use olive oil, you can, but again, worry about the smoke point, because olive oil has a pretty low smoke point. Then you just want to fry the chicken up in the wok, stirring it around. Should take about 3 to 4 minutes, something like that. If you're using an electric stove, I have no idea. Maybe add a couple minutes. Or just take a piece out and cut it in half. If it's white the whole way through, it's done. All right. Let's move on to the next step. When it starts to look a little bit something like this, it's pretty much nearly done. Okay, once the chicken is done, place it in a bowl, set aside. Then you want to add 2 eggs that you've beaten in a bowl, and you want to quickly scramble them. It's not going to take too long in the wok. As you can see, it's coming together really quick. So, scramble some eggs and chop them up as you're going. Again, salt and pepper the eggs right at the end of the cooking process. All right, let's combine everything. And to a fairly large bowl, we want to add 2 cups of cooked white rice. And then we want to add our chicken. And now it's time to add those scrambled eggs that we made. Last but not least, add 2 tablespoons of your favorite barbecue sauce. You can make it yourself, but I decided to be lazy with this one. I just got Famous Dave's. It's my favorite commercial sauce. And then you just want to stir this around till everything is mixed together and well combined. And to serve it up, just grab a bowl and put some of the rice in the bowl. At this point, if you want, you could garnish it with some green onions, but that's pretty much it. Barbecue chicken fried rice. Done.